our portable tea bucket. First off, the overall dimensions. From left to right, we have a length of 8¼ inches, a depth of also 8¼ inches, and the overall height, we have 16¼ inches tall. Coming to the front will be the front spout to dispense your tea, and a tray that can be removed for cleaning. Coming to the right will be your control settings to operate this tea barrel. Left and right handles for easy transportation. And coming to the top will be your cover. And right below will be your tea filtration jug that can be removed for refilling or cleaning. With the interior dimensions measuring 4¼ inches in radius by 6½ inches in height. Coming to the back will be a port to insert the power, which is a 110/120 voltage plug. For all questions, give us a call or visit our website coolerdepotUSA.com for more information on this part.